azaho bari agendesha amaguru hejuru ku kiyaga. Abigishwa bamubonye agendesha amaguru hejuru ku kiyaga basimbwa n'umutima bati n'igihume, bahindishwa agashitsi n'ubwoba. Uwo mwanya Yesu arababwira ati humura ni jewe, nimureke gutinya. Petero aramwishyura ati mwami, asangwa ari wewe, mbarira nza aho uri ku mazi. Nawe ati ngo Petero yururuka mu bwato agendesha amaguru ku mazi ngo aje aho Yesu ari. Abonye igihuhusi aratinya, atanguye kuroka aratakamba ati ntabara mwami. Uno Yesu arambura ukuboko aramucakira aramubwira ati yewe w'ukwizera guke, ni kuki wakekeranije? Uriye mu bwato umuyaga uraca. Abari mu bwato baramupfukamira bati ni ukuri uri umwana w'Imana. Amen.
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 So we have a story that I think you are very familiar with.
Nibaza ko hano dufise inkuru musanzwe mumenyereye.
Jesus walking on water.
Inkuru ya Yesu agendagenda ku mazi.
Peter, he's trying.
Petero nawe yaragerageje.
He's failing.
Arananirwa.
But he's rescued by Jesus.
Ariko Yesu aramuramira aramucakira.
And I think you have heard this story many times.
Kandi nibaza ko iyi nkuru mumaze kuyumva inshuro nyinshi.
But I hope you will get something new today.
Ariko nizera ko uyu munsi ariho bishasha muza kumva.
And that the words of Jesus
Kandi n'amajambo ya Yesu
in this text,
muri aya majambo dusomye,
even if they are very, very few,
nubwo aya majambo ari make cyane,
that they will speak to you today.
amajambo araza kugica ababwira uno munsi.
Actually, Jesus saying like three things.
Mu by'ukuri aha Yesu yavuze ibintu nka bitatu.
He's saying, come.
Yavuze ati ingo.
And then he says, you have little faith. Why did you doubt?
Ijambo rigira kabiri ati yewe w'ukwizera kuke, ni kubera iki wakekeranije?
Those are the only words Jesus said.
Ayo niyo majambo Yesu yavuze muri aya twasomye.
Come.
Ingo.
You have little faith.
Wewe w'ukwizera kuke,
Why did you doubt?
kubera iki wakekeranije?
This story
Iyi nkuru
is in direct connection to another great story I think you have heard many times.
iyi nkuru ifitaniye isano n'iyindi nkuru ikomeye cyane nibaza ko mumaze kumva inshuro nyinshi.
Daytime before this is happening,
Iminsi mikeya imbere y'uko ibi dusomye biba,
we have the story of Jesus feeding the multitude of people using 5 bread and 2 fish.
tuhabona iyindi nkuru ya Yesu yagaburiye isinzi ry'abantu akoresheje udutsima 5 n'udufi 2.
And it's a great miracle. It's a great miracle.
Kandi cyabonetse ari igitangaza gikomeye cyane.
A lot of people got to eat.
Abantu benshi baronse icyo bafungura.
That it was a miracle that something happened out of almost nothing.
Cyabaye igitangaza kuko habonetse ibintu byinshi bivuye ku busa, kuvuga ku busa.
And then that day is almost over.
Hanyuma uwo munsi urarengana urahera.
Jesus tells his disciples,
hanyuma Yesu asigarana n'abigishwa biwe.
you get into the boat,
barinjira bajya mu bwato,
go over to the other side,
nimutugende hakurya.
and I will remain saying goodbye to the people.
Nimugende mujabuke, nanjye nsigaye ndasezera abantu abigishwa.
And the disciples, they get into the boat.
Abigishwa biwe bakorokera mu bwato.
And they had start to go to where they were going.
Hanyuma rero bafata inzira baratangura baragenda hakurya.
And then the storm comes.
Hanyuma noneho rero umuyaga n'imipfunda biraza.
The wind and the wave.
Umuyaga n'imipfunda.
And the disciples are struggling in the boat.
Abigishwa batangura kwigwana ko muri ubwo bwato.
They are fearing for their lives.
Hanyuma bagerageza ingene bokwirokora.
It's dark.
Kandi hari mu mwiza
And they don't know what shall we do.
by'ukuri ntibabona ikintu bokora.
On top of that,
ariko ku mpera y'ibyo byose
they see something coming on the water.
babona ikintu kigendagenda ku mazi.
They are already afraid for the winds and the waves.
bobo baza bari ngaho mu mazi imbere y'imipfunda n'umuyaga.
But now they are seeing something they have never seen before.
ariko bagize uku babona ikintu batari bwigere babona.
And they cannot really understand what is that thing.
kandi by'ukuri naho baraba ntibabona bati kijya kintu ni giki.
And they're trying to look very carefully.
baragerageza kwitegereza neza.
I don't know what they said to each other.
sinzi ikintu bavuganye hagati yabo.
Maybe some of them were crying.
nibaza ko bamwe baba baravuga iby'induru bakarira.
Maybe some of them were praying.
abandi nabo bakazazanirwa bakumirwa.
The Bible does not reveal that.
bibiliya ntitubwira ingene byagenze icyo gihe.
But after a while,
ariko inyuma y'akanya gato
they hear a voice.
bumva ijwi.
Another word that Jesus said in the story.
haca humvikana irindi jambo yesu yavugiye muri iyi nkuru.
He says, take courage.
aravuga ati nimuhumure.
It's I.
ni jewe.
Take courage.
nimuhumure.
It's I.
ni jewe.
Then Peter,
icyo gihe rero petero
something is stirred up in his life.
yumva muri we mu bugingo bwiwe hari ikintu kibadutse.
Peter, we know him, he's emotional.
murazi ko petero yari umuntu akaze ibishobisho.
He's quick to action.
yari umuntu yihuta kugira
And
icyo
he
akoze.
could not almost sit still in the boat anymore.
yumva ntashoboye kwihanganira kuguma yicaye muri ubwo
Because
bwato.
he recognized that voice.
kuko iryo jwi yararyumvise ararimenya.
That voice that is saying,
yumva icyo iryo jwi rivuze
take courage.
ati nimuhumure.
It's I.
ni jewe.
And when he hears that,
kandi amaze kumva ivyo
something is going on in his spirit.
yumva ikintu gisa n'ikirurumba muri we mu mpwemu yiwe.
It doesn't remain just in the spirit.
ntiyakiretse ngo kigume mu buryo bw'impwemu
It
gusa.
goes into his body.
arakireka kirinjira no mu mubiri.
And he holds on to the boat.
aguma afashe bwa bwato.
And he says,
aravuga ati
Jesus,
yesu
if it's you,
niba ari wewe
tell me to come to you on the water.
mbarira nanjye nza aho uri.
And Jesus says,
hanyuma yesu
come.
ati ingo.
The voice on the water
iryo jwi rirumvikana muri ayo ijwi ry'amazi
that he recognized.
ijwi ryavugiwe muri ayo mazi araryumva ararimenya.
He's saying, come,
ryavuga ngo ingo.
come,
ingo.
come.
ingo.
And Peter,
hanyuma petero
he starts to do something very, very stupid.
atangura gukora ikintu kigaragara ko atabwenge burimo.
It is stupid to leave the boat.
ubundi ni ubucucu kuva mu bwato ugakorokera mu kiyaga.
It's stupid to leave the safety.
ni ubucucu kuva ahantu wari mu mutekano.
It's stupid to think that I can walk on the waters.
ni ubupfumu butagira izina kwibaza ko ushobora gutambuka ku mazi.
It's stupid to do that in a storm.
birushirije kuba ubucucu mu gihe ubikoze hari imipfunda n'umuyaga.
It's stupid to leave something that you can hold on to.
ni ubucucu kuva ku kintu wari wifashishije ukakireka ukajya mu mazi.
And you're doing that just because you have heard one voice that you recognize.
kandi ibyo ukabikora bitewe n'uko hariho ijwi wumvise ukamenya.
And you heard one word
kandi si n'amajwi menshi wumvise ijwi ijambo rimwe gusa
that says, come.
ijambo rivuga ngo ingo ingo Petero
he starts to try to find a way. How now can I leave the boat?
atangura kugerageza kurondera inzira aribaza ati ni gute nova mu bwato
Remember, there are waves.
nibuke ko hari imikunda
The
n'umuyaga
boat is not still.
n'ubwato buriko burazungazunga
But still, Peter,
ariko petero
he starts.
aratangura
He has left. He's only one foot left.
araduza ukuguru kwa mbere ukundi gusigara mu bwato
Then he puts down his foot.
aratangura ukuguru kwa mbere agukubita mu mazi
He is somehow a little bit scared, I believe.
nibaza ko no kugeza aho ubwoba bwo bwari
And the
akibufite
boat is doing like this.
mwibuke ko ubwato buriko burazungazunga gutya
But he has heard a voice.
ariko yumvise ijwi
And he wants to get close to that voice.
kandi agomba kwegera uwo yamubwiye
The voice has called him.
hariho ijwi ryamuhamagaye
So he doesn't care.
rero wewe ntumubaze
He
ikindi
can do
kintu
anything.
ibindi byose yobireka
So he stands there
atangura
with one foot in the boat
ukuguru kumwe mu bwato
and one foot on the water.
ukundi kuguru mu mazi
And in the boat,
kandi mu bwato
we have 11 other disciples.
dufiseyo abandi bigishwa 11
They've heard the same voice.
kandi nabo nyene rya jwi baryumvise
They also recognize that
kandi
voice.
nabo nyene iryo jwi barimenye
But they
ariko
say, no way.
baravuga toya ntibishoboka
No way I'm leaving this.
ntibishoboka ko mva ngaha
To get out there
kugira ngo nshike hariya
on those waves,
muri iyo mitunda
that wind.
muri uwo muyaga
No.
oya ntibishoboka
And it might be even like this.
kandi muri ubwo buryo nyene
They might be sitting in the boat,
bari bagerageje kwicara muri ubwo bwato
telling Peter,
babarira petero
Peter,
bateba petero
don't go there.
yewe petero nyabuna ntugende
Peter,
yewe petero
you are stupid.
wataye ubwenge petero
Peter,
petero
you just heard a voice you don't know.
wewe wumvise ijwi gusa ntuzi ibyo ari byo
Peter,
yewe petero
remain with us.
yewe gumana natwe petero
Peter,
yewe petero
Jesus told us to go to the other side.
wibuke ko yesu yatubwiye ngo tujabuke hakurya
He did not tell us to go walk on water.
ntiyigeze atubwira ngo duhave tugendagenda ku mazi
Peter,
yewe petero
come back.
garuka
And Peter
hanyuma petero nawe rero
is listening with one ear here,
yumviriza amajwi avugira aha
but he is somehow attracted by that voice.
ariko kandi akumva kwegerwa na rya jwi ryamuhamagara
There are 11 voices there,
amajwi 11 ari aha
but there's one voice.
Haleluya. ariko hari irindi jwi rimwe
11 to 1.
11 kuri umwe
They should be stronger.
bagomeye ngo 11 nibo bakomeye gusumba umwe
But there's something with that voice.
ariko hariho ikintu kidasanzwe muri iryo jwi rimwe
There's something with that man that has called me.
hariho ikintu kivuga ngo uriya muntu yampamagaye
There's something I cannot resist.
hariho ikintu numva ntoye kwihanganira
That voice that is saying, come,
iryo jwi rivuga ngo ingo
it rings louder in my chest.
numva muri jewe rirurumba mu
It
gikiriza
rings louder in my thoughts.
numva risemerera cyane mu byiyumviro byanjye
Even if my intellect
naho ubwenge bwanjye
is
bw'umuntu
listening to them,
buriko bwumviriza bariya
but my heart
ariko umutima wanje
is listening to that voice.
umutima wanje ukwegerwa na ririya jwi amen
So Peter,
icyo gihe rero petero
he listens to that voice.
aca arumviriza rya jwi
And he leaves that boat.
aca aremera arava muri bwa bwato
You know, in churches today,
murazi mu mashengero uno munsi,
and not only today, they have always been there, those people
kandi by'ukuri si uno munsi gusa, kuva kera hamwe hariho abantu
that knows how things should be done.
bazi neza ingene ibintu byari bikwiye kugenzwa.
But thank God,
Ariko Imana ishimwe,
there have been some stupid people also.
Imana ishimwe ko hari abemeye kuba ibicucu.
And I am glad to tell you today,
Sorry.
I am glad to tell you today,
Kandi nezerejwe no kubabwira uno munsi,
I am one of those stupid ones.
ndi umwe muri ibyo bicucu.
And I don't know about you,
Sinzi wewe nawe ingene umerewe,
but I wish that you can join the party of the stupid ones.
ariko ndakwifurije kuza wifatanye nabo ibyo bicucu.
That is ready to listen to that voice
Ibyo bicucu byiteguye kumva iryo jwi
more than those voices.
gusumbya uko bokumva ayandi majwi menshi.
Because that voice
Kuko iryo jwi
is inviting us to something.
ririko ridutumirira ikintu.
That voice
Iryo jwi
is saying, even if it's not saying a lot of words,
naho rivuga ritagwiza amajambo menshi,
but there's something special about it.
ariko hariho ikintu kidasanzwe iryo jwi ririko
Because
riravuga.
that voice is full of love.
Kuko ni ijwi ritwingingira gukurikira
That
urukundo.
voice is inviting.
Iryo jwi riratumira.
That voice is stirring up something inside of
Iryo
us.
jwi rirurumbisha ikintu muri twebwe.
And we that are okay with being stupid,
Kandi vyoba vyiza wemeye ukaba ikijuju,
we love that voice.
hanyuma ugakunda iryo jwi riguhamagara.
Oh, how I like that voice. Oh, how I like that voice.
Ndakunda iryo jwi cyane.
I cannot explain what it is.
Sinzi ingene nobasigurira ibyo ari byo.
I don't know what the special thing is.
Sinzi ikintu kidasanzwe nobabwira cyo muri iryo jwi.
But I know when I hear it,
Ariko ndabizi ko igihe ndaryumvise,
I cannot sit still anymore.
sinshobora kwihanganira kuryumvira.
I cannot remain where I am anymore.
Sinshobora kuguma uko narindi.
I want to be close to that voice,
Ngomba kwegera rwose iryo jwi.
even if it's telling me to do stupid things.
Naho womenga iryo jwi rinsaba gukora ikintu abantu bita ngo ni ubujuju.
So Peter starts to walk.
Petero rero arengera aragenda.
And I'm trying to think, how did he feel when he started to take the first steps on the water?
Nama nibaza ingene Petero yiyumvise amaze kubona ko amaguru yiwe yose abiri ahagaze ku mazi.
You know, he's standing there on the water,
Mwibuke ko ahagaze ku mazi,
but he still holds on to that boat.
ariko kandi aguma ashaka kuguma afashe bwa bwato.
He has not let go completely yet.
Ntiyaretse ubwato ngo bugende burundu.
But that voice is still some distance away.
Ariko yajwi ryamuhamagara rikaba riracara ahantu kure.
So he has to let go of the boat.
Ari yasabwa ko ukuboko kure k'ubwato.
So he takes off his hand from the boat.
Arashika ahantu ikiganza arari ku bwato.
And he noticed
Hanyuma icyo gihe arabona
that he's actually standing on the water.
yisanga amaguru ahagaze ku mazi.
He's doing something impossible.
Asanga ashobojwe gukora ikitashoboka.
He's doing something that cannot be done.
Ariko akora ikintu kitoshoboye gukorwa.
Especially if you're going with your intellect.
Na cyane cyane kidashoboka iyo uri kurongorwa n'akenge ka muntu.
But he's able to do it
Ariko yashoboye kubikora
because he's listened to that voice.
kuko yategeye ugutwi ryajwi.
That voice that has said, come.
Ryajwi ryamubwira ngo ingo.
Notice something.
Mubona iki kintu.
Peter is not telling Jesus that, hey, that looks cool. I want to walk on water too.
Murabe Petero rero ntaciye atangura kubwira Yesu ngo heraba nanjye nashoboye kugenda ku mazi.
Peter is not out for doing a cool thing.
Petero ntariko yishimira ko akoze ikintu cy'akatabonetse.
The driving force of Peter
Ikintu kimutera kubikora
is to go to that voice.
nukugira ashikire ryajwi ryamuhamagara.
He wants to be with Jesus.
Wewe icyifuzo ciwe nukushikira Yesu
Even
bakabana.
if it seems to be safer over here,
Naho umengo yavuye ahantu yari mu mutekano
but
ukwiye,
Jesus, he's over there.
ariko Yesu we wari hirya
So he's asking for permission.
kandi yabanje kumusaba uruhusha.
Jesus,
Yesu,
tell me to come to you.
mbarira nanje nza aho uri.
And Jesus is always inviting.
Kandi Yesu wewe yama ariko aratumira.
Jesus would not say like this.
Yesu ntuzigera wumva Yesu avuze ngo,
You know, Peter,
oya Petero,
I am the Son of God.
jewe wibuke ko ndi umwana w'Imana.
And what I'm doing right now,
Kandi ibona niko ndakora uyu mwanya,
you cannot do that
wewe ntushaka kubikora.
because you're just a human.
Kuko wewe uri umuntu w'ubuntu gusa.
So I recommend to you,
Rero reka jewe nze aho uri,
you stay in the boat with others.
wewe gumana mu bwato na bagenzi bawe.
Jesus is saying,
Ariko Yesu yavuze ngo, ingo.
and Jesus is always inviting.
Kandi Yesu igihe cyose yamatumira ati ingo.
But you know, coming to Jesus,
Kugenda aho Yesu ari,
to get to where he is,
kugira ushika aho ari,
sometimes in the eyes of man, you need to do stupid things.
kenshi na kenshi mu maso y'abantu idusaba ko dukora ikintu bobo bita ko ari ubucucu.
Following Jesus,
Gukurikira Yesu
it's not about logic.
si ibintu bitahuritse mu bwenge.
Following Jesus,
Gukurikira Yesu
it's about faith.
bisaba ukwizera.
It's about who are we believing in?
Ni ukuvuga ngo ndazi uwo nizeye,
Who do I set my trust to?
ndazi uwo ntegerezwa gushyira ku ibyizigiro.
And if he is the Son of God,
Kandi bisanzwe ari umwana w'Imana,
with all powers in heaven and earth,
akaba yahawe ububasha bwose mu ijuru no mu isi,
then I can do impossible things.
ni ukuvuga ngo nanjye nk'umwana wiwe ndashobora gukora ibyo abantu bita ko bidashoboka.
And those things,
Kandi ibyo bintu
even for other Christians,
naho hoba ku bandi bakristo,
they might look as stupid things.
bobo bashobora kuvuga ngo ni ibintu by'ubujubuju.
Peter did not just go to the water because he was stupid.
Petero ntiyakorokeye mu mazi wabitewe n'ubujubuju.
Peter made sure that that voice he had heard was Jesus.
Petero yabanje kumenya neza ko ijwi yumvise ari rya Yesu.
Having faith is not about just doing stupid things.
Kandi ukwizera kwiwe si ukwizera kwamutuma gukora ibintu by'ubujubuju.
Having faith
Kugira ukwizera
is to know that voice.
ni ukumenya neza irya jwi rya Yesu,
Is to understand when he's saying come,
ugatahura Yesu igihe akubwiye ati ingo,
or when he's saying remain.
ishitse naho akavuga ati gumaho.
It's about to understand that voice.
Bisaba ko wowe gusa utahura ijwi ryiwe.
And my simple message this afternoon
Rero ubutumwa bworoshye cyane ngomba kubaha kuri uyu muhingamo,
is to invite you to know that voice.
nshaka kubatumira ngo murondere kumenya iryo jwi.
Is to invite you to hear his calling.
Ni ukubatumira ngo mwumve umutumiro wa Yesu.
Is to invite you to a life that you could not even imagine about.
Ni ukugira ngo ndabinginge ngo umaze kumva iryo jwi ukora icyo rikubwiye naho umengo
It's to invite
ntibigusobanutse.
you to do things you could not even think you could do.
Ni ukwemera iryo jwi rikagushoboza gukora ibintu nawe ubwawe utokwiyumvishije ko ubikoze.
Because Jesus
Kubera ko Yesu
is still saying come.
n'ubu aracyavuga ati ingo,
He has a big come to all the sinners.
afise ikaze aha abanyabyaha bose.
He has a big come to all those that have gone astray.
Arafise ikaze atumirira abo bose bamugiye kure.
He says a big come to all those that wants to serve him.
afise ikaze kuri abo bose batigeze bemera kumukorera.
He says, come to those that are feeling weak.
Arafise ikaze aha abo bose biyumvamo intege nke.
He said, come to those that are sick.
Arafise ikaze aha abarwaye.
Because he's saying,
kuko we wavuga ati
come all of you
mwese nimuze
that are heavy burden. That are heavy burden.
mwese abaremerewe.
And I
kandi nanje
will give you peace.
ndabaruhura.
I will give you rest.
ndabaruhura.
So come to me.
rero muze aho ndi.
Listen to that voice.
umviriza iryo jwi rero.
Back to Peter. We're going back to Peter now.
reka dusubire rero kuri petero.
So Peter is walking there.
petero ageze aho agendagenda kuri ya mazi.
He's doing the impossible thing.
ariko akora ibyaboneka ko bidashoboka.
But he is a human.
ariko yagumye ari umuntu.
And as humans,
kandi nk'umuntu
it's very easy to get distracted.
birashika hagacamo ibintu bigusamaza.
He started up very well.
yari yatanguye neza cyane.
He started to walk and he did the impossible things.
yatanguye agendagenda ku mazi akora ibidashoboka.
But then somehow the circumstances around him
ariko rero mu buryo butewe n'ibimuzungurutse
took his attention.
atatangura gushyira amaso.
And the Bible says,
kandi bibiri bivuga ngo
when he saw the winds,
bamaze kubona umuyaga
and when he saw the waves,
akongera akabona imipfunda
he started to sink.
batatangura gucokera.
The winds had been there all the time.
ariko mwibuke ko iyo miyaga yari yamye ngaho igihe cyose.
The waves had been there all the time.
iyo mipfunda yari isanzwe iri aho.
When he was leading the boat,
igihe yava mu bwato
the wind was there already.
imiyaga yari ngaho, umuyaga wari aho.
The waves were there already.
imipfunda yaziri muri icyo kiyaga.
It was not something new.
rero by'ukuri nta gishasha cyari kibaye.
But he was distracted.
ariko iraciyemo gusa biramusamaza.
Somehow he started to forget about that voice that had called him.
ni ukuvuga ngo atanguye kwibagira rya jwi ryamuhamagara.
He started to hear the wind.
atangura noneho kumva amajwi
He
y'umuyaga.
started to look at the waves.
yumva akenge kamubwira ati raba iyo mipfunda.
And he understood,
kandi ataratahura
I am really stupid.
ati by'ukuri bwa bundi ikijuju kweli.
Because I'm doing something nobody should do.
kuko nihaye gukora ibintu atawundi muntu n'umwe yari gukora.
And when he moved from being attracted by that voice,
kandi amaze kuva mu gukwegerwa na rya jwi,
and he started to calculate with his intellect,
hanyuma agatangura ibiharuro mu kenge kiwe,
then he failed.
aca arananirwa.
Having faith
kugira ukwizera
is not about understanding.
si ibintu bisaba gutahura gukomeye cyane.
Having faith
kugira ukwizera
is about setting my trust
ni ukuvuga ngo ibyizigiro byanjye ndabishyize ku Mana.
to him that is more powerful than all my circumstances.
ukwizera n'ibyizigiro byanjye ndabishyize kuri wa wundi asumbye inkomezi ibyo bindi byose byariko birandonera.
So Peter, he starts to sing.
rero petero atatangura gucokera.
Oh, help, help, help. He sinks in the water.
atatangura gucokera mu mazi.
In the boat,
hariya mu bwato
we have 11 holy brothers. We have 11 holy brothers.
mwibuke ko mu bwato hagumyemo abagabo bejejwe 11.
Peter,
petero
didn't we tell you?
ubwo ntitwari twakubariye.
We knew this from the beginning.
twebwe ibyo twabibonye kuva kera twari tubizi.
Peter, trying to advise you.
wewe kandi wibuke ko twari twagerageje kuguhanura petero
Peter, you should have listened to us.
petero wabwirizwa kuba watwumvirije
Peter, you just want to show off all the time.
wewe wamushaka kwiyerekana igihe cyose
Peter, you're stupid.
wewe petero mu by'ukuri uri ikijuju.
God bless the holy people.
imana ihezagire abo cumi n'umwe bejejwe
But I'm happy for the stupid people.
ariko ndanezerewe cyane abo bemera bakabira igihugu.
People that are ready
abantu biteguye
to do things nobody has done even before.
gukora ikintu batigeze bakora mbere.
In the church of Kumla,
mu ishengero ryo muri humura
there was a man coming to the pastors and the elders.
hariho umuntu yigeze kuza kubazezwa shengero no ku barongozi.
His name was Thomas Wimber.
uwo muntu yitwa thomas Wimber.
And he told them, he told the pastors,
arabwira abo bazezwa shengero
I want to go to Central Africa.
numva ngomba kugenda muri afurika yo hagati.
I'm making up a little bit, I don't know exactly.
ngerageza kubyibuka ariko sinza kubivuga amajambo yakoreshejwe neza,
But I assume
ariko nibaza ko
that among the pastors,
yuko mu bazezwa shengero
among the leaders in Kumla,
mu barongoye ishengero ry'ihumura
there would be voices saying like this,
nibaza ko humvikanyemo amajwi yavuga ngo
Thomas,
ewe thomas
don't go there.
ntuje hariya hantu,
We don't know anything about that place.
wibuke ko hariya hantu ata kintu na kimwe tuhazi ko.
It's dangerous.
erega n'akaga thomas.
First of all, those people, they are very different to us.
mwibuke ko abo bantu ugomba kujyamo baratandukanye cyane natwe.
They are black and you are white.
nabirabure nawe uri umuzungu.
We don't even know what they are eating.
ntituzi n'ibyo barya ibyo ari byo.
Thomas, if you go there,
rero thomas baramukubwiye
they might even eat you.
urazi ko no kukurya bashobora kukurya.
There are animals there.
hari n'ibikoko by'inyamaswa,
There are lions,
hari n'intambwe,
elephants,
hari n'inzovu,
and the snakes.
kandi n'inzoka hariya ni nyinshi,
And there's something called malaria.
kandi hari n'indwara igwiriye hariya yitwa malariya.
Thomas,
ewe thomas
remain in the boat.
guma ngaha muri ubu bwato mugabo.
But thank God,
ariko imana ishimwe,
thank God,
imana ishimwe cyane.
Thomas was stupid enough.
thomas yarebeye kuba ikijuju,
And he said, I'm hearing what you are saying,
arababwira ati icyo muvuga ndabyumva,
but that voice
ariko ijwi
that has called me,
ijwi ryampamagaye
I'm following that one.
ngira ngo ndarikurikire,
Even if I go there and die,
naho byosaba ko ngendayo ngapfa,
but I want to follow that voice.
ariko ntegerezwa kumvira no gukurikira iryo jwi,
Because I heard that
kuko
voice
iryo jwi naryumvise
from somebody standing in Eastern Central Africa,
hariho ijwi ryambwiye nk'irihagaze muri afurika yo hagati,
telling me to come.
rimbwiye ngo ingo,
And I cannot say no to that
kandi
voice.
numva iryo jwi ntoryankira.
So I am going.
rero mumbabarire ndagiye.
If I will die with malaria, so let it be.
rero nimba mbwirizwa gupfa kubera malariya iragomba bibe,
If I will be eaten by a lion, so may it be.
nimba mbwirizwa kuribwa n'intambwe iragomba bibe,
Or if the people will eat me, so let it be like that. Even if the people will eat me, so let it be.
rero nimba noribwa n'abo bantu ngiye kuraba nabyo nyine biragomba bibe.
And I'm following that voice.
ariko iryo jwi rimpamagara ntegerezwa kurikurikira. amen.
I don't know who am I talking to this is.
sinzi aya majambo wari karabwira muri aka kanya,
I don't know if it's one person
sinzi nimba iri jwi ririko rivugana n'umuntu umwe ngaha,
or if it's 10 people
canke abantu benshi,
or if it's more than that. or if it's more than 10.
sinzi ko ari abantu bashika 10, sinzi ko ari abantu bari munsi ya 10,
But I believe you are here
ariko abiri ijwi ryatumweko nizera ko bari ngaho,
that have heard that voice
abantu bamaze kumva iryo jwi
telling you, come.
ribabwira ngo ingo,
And you have been starting to think,
ariko umaze igihe kirekire ubanza kwiyumvira cyane,
I don't know how will I go there?
wowe ukabaho wibaza ngo none aho hantu ijwi rimpamagara noshikayo gute,
How will I live?
none nzobaho gute,
Where will I sleep?
mbega nzoryama gute,
What will I eat?
mbega nzorya iki,
What will I wear?
mbega nzambara iki.
But I'm telling you,
ariko reka ndakubwira,
the voice is still saying, come.
iryo jwi n'ubu riracyavuga ngo ingo.
And faith is all about setting your trust to that voice.
kandi ukwizera guhagaze ku kumvira iryo jwi.
When Peter starts to sink,
igihe petero yatangura gucokera,
remember one thing. Remember one thing.
mwibuke
He's closer to Jesus than those in the boat.
naho acokereye ahantu hari hafi ya yesu gusumba abagumye mu bwato. aba bagabo reka tubareke.
No, he goes back to them.
ahubwo be na petero baciye babasanga mu bwato.
He enters the boat where they are.
yesu yemera kwinjira muri bwa bwato barimo,
Because Jesus,
kuko yesu
he will always look for people.
yewewe yama afise urukundo ku bantu.
Jesus is not only looking for those that are bold and having great faith.
yesu ntiyitaho ba bandi bibaza ko ari abahambaye bafite ukwizera gukomeye cyane gusa,
Even those ones,
n'abariya nabo
Jesus still cared about them.
nabo nyene arabakunda kandi arabitayeho.
So he's taking Peter by the hand.
rero acafata ukuboko petero,
They go back to the boat together.
basubira hamwe bajana muri bwa bwato.
And then Jesus fixes the problem.
hanyuma noneho rero yesu acatorera inyishu ikibazo.
He calms the wind. He calms the wind.
aca aracecekesha umuyaga
and the waves.
acecekesha n'ingunza.
He does not throw away those 11 people.
ntiyigeze aca ashiburira kure ba bandi 11.
He meets also with them in their situation.
nabo nyene mu byo barimwo yashimye kubasanga.
I don't know about you. I don't know about you.
sinzi mwebwe ibyanyu nyene bimeze.
If you are the one sitting in the boat,
mu gihe wowe uri muri bamwe bagumye bicaye muri ubwo bwato,
telling others,
ubwira abandi
don't do that,
reka kugira ibi
or do that,
cyangwa urugu,
thinking that you are safe where you are,
wowe ukama wibaza ngo aho uri ni umutekano ukwiye.
or if you are like Peter, you want to go,
cyangwa sinzi kumeze nka Petero avuga ati yagomba gukurikira iryo jwi.
Jesus has something for all of us.
Yesu arafise ikintu kuri twese.
But that voice
ariko rero iryo jwi,
that is saying, come,
iryo jwi rivuga ngo ingo,
it's appealing to me more than to remain in the boat.
rirakubita muri jewe gusumvya ijwi rinyingingira kuguma mu bwato.
Because the kingdom of God
kuko ubwami bw'Imana
needs a lot of stupid people.
ubwami bw'Imana ukeneye abo bantu bemera kwitwa ibijuju.
Because without those kind of people,
kuko hatabonetse mwene abo bantu,
the gospel will not advance to where it has not reached yet.
ubutumwa bwiza ntibuzigera bushika aho utaragera.
We need somehow crazy people.
dukeneye abantu bemera kwitanga naho byosaba ko bitwa
We
abasazi.
need people that are ready to do things that have never been done before.
dukeneye abantu bizera ko bashobora gukora ibyo batigeze bakora
We
mbere.
need people who are ready to go when nobody has gone before.
dukeneye abantu bemera gushika ahantu bakagenda ahantu atawari bwigera hashika.
We need new Thomases from Kumla.
dukeneye kumera nka Thomas ahaguruka akava mu ishengero
And
ry'Ikumla.
maybe that Thomas is in this church now.
kandi ba Thomas bari ngaha muri iri shengero no munsi.
That God is calling,
kandi Imana iriko irabahamagara
come.
ati ngo,
Because Jesus,
kuko Yesu
He is among the lost ones.
Yesu agomba kuba muri bariya bazimiye kubera ibyaha byabo.
Yes, Jesus is here with us.
Yesu yaradukijije agumana natwe,
But the call of Him
ariko umuhamagaro wiwe
is there among the lost ones.
ni umuhamagaro ujyana abantu mu bagipfuye bishwe n'ibyaha.
Because Jesus is saying,
kandi niko yamye
I came
yavuze ngo nazanywe
to see
no kurondera icyazimiye. Amen.
So when people, sometimes when we are failing,
rimwe na rimwe burya iyo bishitse mukabona dusa n'abananirwa,
it's very easy to think, now I'm done.
biroroshe ko umuntu aca atana n'agatsina ati nta kundi ndahetse.
Think about the prophet Elijah.
ariko nimwibuke ko wavugishwa n'Imana Eliya.
Elijah, you can read about him in 1 Kings chapter 17, 18.
mu gitabo cya mbere cy'abami ibice 16 kugeza kuri 18.
And this one day he's up on the mountain
nibuka umunsi umwe aduga ku musozi,
together with the other prophets of Baal.
ahamagara yegeranya abavugishwa b'ibinyoma bakurikiye Bayali.
And they are having some kind of a competition.
rero arabatumira ngo habe agahinyuza hagati yabo.
Who has the strongest God?
by'ukuri turabe abakorera Imana y'ukuri.
So they agree that let us build an altar.
rero baravuga bati reka twubake igicaniro
And then we look for firewood.
kandi dushyire ku umuriro,
We bring the offering.
dushyire ku inkwi tuzane ikimazi.
But the fire
ariko umuriro
must come from heaven.
ubwirizwa kuva mu ijuru.
It must come from God.
Uze kuba umuriro urungitswe n'Imana.
So Elijah, a very polite man,
Eliya rero nk'umuntu yisoneye,
he told the other prophets,
arabwira abo bakubiswa bandi
after you,
ati bari mwe mutangure,
you go first.
nimutangure.
And they started
Baratangura
doing whatever they were doing.
baragerageza ibyo babwirizwa gukora byose.
And Elijah, I don't know where he was sitting,
Eliya rero aho yibereye abaraba,
he started to mock with them a little.
atangura kubakindaga.
He said, maybe you need to shout a little bit louder because maybe your God is sleeping.
Ati je nibaza ko mukwiye kuduza ijwi, birashoboka ko Imana yanyu isinziriye.
And they tried, I don't know for how long.
Baragerageza amasaha angahe,
No fire.
umuriro uranga kuza.
So then they told Elijah,
Hanyuma rero barabwira Eliya
okay, now your turn.
bati ubu rero nawe ni umwanya wawe.
And Elijah, before calling to God,
Hanyuma Eliya rero imbere y'uko ahamagara Imana
he said, bring some water
ati zana amazi,
because this firewood
suka kuri izo nkwi,
is too dry.
ngo ni izi nkwi zumye, reka tubanze tuzijyobeke.
So they poured water on it.
Barasuka kwa amazi.
Then he turned to God.
Hanyuma noneho arangamiza mu ijuru ku Mana.
Okay, God,
Rero Mwami Imana,
you do what you need to do.
kora icyo ubwirizwa gukora.
You know the story.
Iyo nkuru murayizi.
That's why it comes.
Umuriro waciye ukibuka.
And there's a great victory for that prophet.
Yabaye intsinzi ikomeye kuri uwo yavugishwa n'Imana.
After a short while,
Haheze akanya gato,
an old lady,
umupfasoni umwe
comes to Elijah
araza kuri Eliya.
and says, I will give you.
Uzi n'amakuru nabwiye.
Remember?
Ibyo murabizi, murabyibuka.
And what does Elijah do?
None Eliya yaciye akora iki amaze kumva iryo jwi?
He starts to run like crazy.
Yaciye ahunga yiruka nk'umuntu w'umusazi.
And he's running and running and running and running and running.
Ariruka,
Afraid of being killed by that old woman.
atinya kwicwa n'uwo yamwise umukecuru.
He has just experienced a miracle.
Ahejeje gukoreshwa ikintu cy'igitangaza.
He's just experienced the mighty power of God.
Yabonye igikorwa cy'Imana ikomeye cyane.
But Elijah is a human.
Ariko Eliya yagumye ari umuntu.
And as humans, we have our weaknesses.
Kandi uyu mugore yari afise ibyabona byinshi.
So in a moment of weakness,
Rero mu mwanya w'intege nke,
he's being threatened.
sorry,
He's being threatened.
aca aragira ubwoba,
And he flees.
aca arahunga.
He ends up in the cave,
Hanyuma yarangirije ahantu mu isenga.
thinking, I am done.
Aravuga ati ibyanje nibirangire ngaha.
There is no hope.
Nta byizigiro ngifise,
There is no future.
nta kazoza mbona,
I have no ministry left.
nta gikorwa ngisigaje gukora.
But you know,
Ariko murabizi,
God is quite good in caves.
Imana ni nziza ku buryo yaba ifise ingene igenza uwibaza ko yananiwe.
You know, even Jesus was put in a cave.
Aba na Yesu yaragiye ahantu mu isenga.
And when God thought that now Jesus, you've been in this cave enough,
Imana irashika ahantu ivuga ati uzi n'amakuru Yesu, igihe cyo kuba mu isenga kiraheze.
he told Jesus, now Jesus, wake up.
Yabwiye Yesu ati rero kanguka,
Now it's time to get out of this cave.
va ngaha muri iri senga rero genda,
We have a job to do.
hariho igikorwa dutegerezwa gukora.
So Elijah is in that cave.
Rero Eliya nawe yari yageze mu mwanya wo kuba mu isenga.
And then he hears God's voice.
Aca yumva ijwi ry'Imana.
And what is that voice saying?
None iryo jwi ryavuga ngo iki?
Elijah,
Eliya
what are you doing?
mbega aha hantu uri kuhakora iki? Eliya
What are you doing?
aha hantu wewe urahakora iki?
Now, stand on that side.
Rero ati asabye guhagarara ngaho.
If I'm standing here
mpaye mpagarara aha
and my interpreter is standing there,
umusobanuzi wanjye akaba ahagaze hariya,
what is the most accurate way to ask a question?
uburyo bubangutse kandi burashe bwo kubaza ikibazo,
Should I say, what are you doing here or what are you doing there?
yombaza ngo uri gukora iki ngaha cyangwa uri gukora iki iyo? Yovuga ngo iki? There.
Yeah. But what is God saying?
Ariko Imana yavuze ngo iki?
He's telling Elijah,
Yabwiye ati Eliya,
what are you doing here?
urakora iki hano?
He's very close to him.
Yari hafi yiwe.
So when Elijah started to run,
Igihe Eliya yatangura guhunga,
then God said, okay, let's run.
Imana ati reka duhungane Eliya we.
And when he continued to run,
Eliya agishishikara kwiruka ahunga,
God said, well, I'm with
Imana
you.
ati sawa reka tujyane ntacyo.
Don't think you can outrun me. Don't think you can outrun me.
Ntiwibaze ngo mpunga Eliya ngo unje kure.
And then when Elijah finally ended up in the cave,
Hanyuma Eliya amaze kunanirwa akaja muri iryo senga,
if Elijah was sitting on one stone,
Eliya yari yicaye ku ibuye rimwe,
then God sat on the stone beside him.
Imana nayo yicara kuri iryo buye iruhande ya Eliya.
And he was sitting there with him.
Hanyuma yicarana n'abaho
He
hantu.
was sitting with him.
Yari yicaranye nawe.
And I don't know how many days he was sitting with him.
Sinzi iminsi bamaze bicaranye,
Until God finally thought,
kugeza aho Imana yiyumvira iti,
Elijah,
Eliya,
what are you doing?
by'ukuri ahantu urahakora iki?
In other words,
Mu yandi majambo,
it's like he's saying, you know, Elijah, this is what I didn't call you to sit in a cave.
mu yandi majambo tuba ati Eliya by'ukuri burya sinena guhamagaye ngo tuze kwicara muri iri senga ry'ibuye.
I called you to do greater things than this.
Nagusabye naguhamagaye ngo ujye gukora ibintu biruta ibi byo kwicara mu isenga ry'ibuye.
I have another plan for you.
Ndakafise integuro kuri wewe.
Okay, you failed,
Yego ndabona ko byakugoye,
and I know you were human.
kandi by'ukuri ndanagutahura kuko uri umuntu,
Because I failed.
hari yazigende nakuremye,
And you can fail.
birashukananirwa.
Elijah,
Ariko Eliya,
I think time is enough now.
nibaza ko aha hantu tuhamaze umwanya ukwiye Eliya.
Let's go out.
Reka tusohoke tugende.
And Elijah, he takes courage.
Hanyuma Eliya yumva asubijwemo intege,
He goes out from the cave.
acarava muri rya senga.
And finally he finds Elisha.
Amaherezo ahura na Elisa,
He anoints him for ministry.
aramusuka ko amavuta ngo agende mu bikorwa.
And Elisha
Hanyuma Eliya,
gets a double portion of the anointing that Elijah had.
Elisa yarangije aronka imigabane ibiri y'amavuta ya Eliya.
And the work of God continues.
Gutyo igikorwa cy'Imana kirashishikara.
I think God is saying to somebody this afternoon,
Nibaza ko hariho umuntu ijwi ry'Imana ririko riravugana nawe uyu no munsi.
what are you doing here?
Aha hantu urahakora iki?
You have been hiding too long.
Umaze igihe kirekire unyegeye.
You have been trying to run from me too long.
Wagerageje inshuro nyinshi guhunga ijwi
Now it's
ry'Imana.
time to get out of that cave.
Uyu munsi igihe kirageze usohoke
Do
uve muri iryo
the things
senga.
I called you to do.
Ukore ibyo naguhamagariye gukora.
Because I have called you
Kuko igihe naguhamagara,
to do mighty things.
naguhamagaye gukora ibinyenkomezi,
Not for yourself,
atari ku bwawe,
but for my kingdom.
ariko kubw'ubwami bwanje.
And I don't need you in the cave.
Kandi si ngomba kuguma muri iryo senga.
I need you among the lost ones.
Shaka ugende muri bariya bazimiye.
Go and train people.
genda wigisha abantu,
Go and preach the gospel.
genda uvuga ubutumwa bwiza,
Go and build churches.
genda mu mashengero
Go
wubake,
and proclaim that Jesus is alive.
genda ubwira abantu ko Yesu ari muzima.
Don't sit in the cave.
Reka kuguma unyegeye mu isenga ry'ibuye.
That is not what God called you to do.
Icyo si cyo Yesu aguhamagarira gukora.
Failing
Kunanirwa
is not a reason for quitting. Fail is not a reason for quitting.
ukugwa si impamvu yo kugira utuherayo.
Failing
Kugwa cyangwa kunanirwa
is an opportunity to come closer to God.
na kandi uburonse usubire wegera Imana.
Because His grace
Kuko ubuntu bwayo
is always there.
bwama buriho.
His hand
Ikiganza cyayo
will always lift you up when you start to sing.
cyama cyiteguye kukuramira no kugusubiza ukava aho wari
He's
kurajagera.
never too far away.
Ntazigera kureka ngo uje kure yiwe.
Even in that cave that you have hidden,
No muri iryo senga wanyegeyemo,
He's there with you.
Imana iragusanga iri kumwe nawe.
So we will take some time now to pray.
Rero tugira dufata akanya ko gusenga.
And I think there are a number of things we can pray for.
Je nibaza ko dufite ibintu bitari bike twosengera.
First of all,
Icya mbere,
Jesus is calling you
Yesu ariko araguhamagara.
who have never said your yes to Jesus.
Ntiwigeze wemera iryo jwi rya Yesu ngo wibwire uti ego mendaje.
He's telling you, come,
N'ubu aracyakubwira ngo ingo,
come to me
ingo aho ndi.
and do that crazy thing.
Emera ukore ibyo abantu bokubwira ngo ni ubupfu.
Try Him
Mugerageze urabe.
and you will see the words.
Kandi uzobona yuko amajambo yiwe arabikuri.
But Jesus is also saying, come to you.
Ariko kandi na Yesu ashishikara akwiyegereza aza aho uri.
That knows Him. You know Him.
Uramuzi,
You have already said your yes. You have already said the first yes to Jesus.
wowe ukeneye kumubwira uti egome. Ubwa mbere egome mwana.
But He's out there somewhere
Ariko ari hariya ari ahantu
calling for you
aguhamagara
to leave your safety,
kugira ngo uve aho hantu wibaza ko haguhaye umutekano,
to leave your security,
uve aho hantu wumva utekaniwe,
and to come where He is.
hanyuma umusanga ahari.
And we would also like to pray with you.
Ndagomba kubasengera
Who is right now sitting in a cave somewhere.
abo bantu mwumva amengo mwibereye ahantu mwicaye mu isenga ry'ibuye,
Because you have failed in life.
munyegeye kuko mubona mwagiye munanirwa mu kubaho kwanyu.
Maybe you have failed in ministry. Maybe you have failed in ministry.
Birashoboka ko igikorwa cyakuruhishije ukananirwa,
And Jesus is there with you in that cave.
ariko wumvise ko Yesu no muri uko kunyegera kwawe mu isenga agusangayo muri kumwe,
And He's asking you,
akakubaza ati
what are you doing there?
aha hantu urahakora iki?
Because He has called you to other things.
Kuko yaguhamagariye ibiruta kwinyegeza mu isenga.
It's time to start again.
Ni harageze gusura ugahaguruka bushake.
Start time to take a new step.
Birakenewe gusubira ugatera iyindi ntambuko.
It's time to put your trust in Jesus again.
Harageze gusubira ugashyira ibyizigiro muri we.
So if you want somebody to pray for you,
Niba rero ukeneye umuntu yo gusengera,
just start to come back.
ntabwo uje hano imbere.
And I know there will not be space for everybody.
Ndazi yuko aha hantu imbere ata kibanza cyokwira abagomba kuza kuri Yesu bose,
But please come.
ariko ukaba wumva ugomba kwitaba ijwi ryiwe ingo.
And we'll pray together.
Turaza gufatikanya dusenge.
Just come.
Ingo, wewe ingo gusa.
The servants of Lord here,
Abakozi b'Imana bari hano
they would love to pray with you.
baraza kugufasha gusenga.
That is, if you are feeling that I need to come to Jesus.
Kuko muri wewe urumva ko ukeneye kuza aho Yesu ari.
I need a touch of Jesus.
ndakeneye ukuboko kw'Imana ko konkorako.
I need to put my trust in Jesus.
ndagomba kumva ko ivyizigiro vyanje vyose ndabishize muri Yesu.
I need to get to where Jesus is.
ndagomba kuba aho Yesu ari. ingorero
And please, pastors,
nimuze hanyuma dusabe aba barongozi abazezwa shingiro
be ready to minister to the people.
mwitegure gufasha aba bantu b'Imana.
And I know that we will not be able to touch Jesus or reach everyone.
birashoboka kandi biraboneka ko tutaza gushobora gukora kuri umwe wese,
But Jesus will touch you.
ariko Yesu araza kugukorako.
He will put his hand on you.
araza kurambura ukuboko kwiwe agukoreko.
He will restore you.
araza kugusubizamo intege.
He will heal you.
araza kugukiza.
He will call you.
araza kuguhamagara.